No!
Lex, stop running!
No!
No! Come back!
Hey boy!
Yeah, I want shield too.
There's
wanna stick
fucking
up your ass?
13.
No!
Nice.
Oh, wow. Okay, just take my 1v1 away from me.
Yeah, he's still
Yeah,
wearing the knights that say Nick wrote out.
Yes.
In the
Yes.
penis!
In the penis! Could you...
Great.
Hey.
No!
Yeah,
The
'cause
only
you-
way!
Ben Luca.
Ganking is only 2v1, right?
Well, that was 2-1 because I was still in the process of killing him.
Hey,
And you had
who the
Oh,
fuck is
there
that?
are you.
Okay, now Jesse, you got this.
Okay.
Oh, Jess, you got this, like, being
Good
able
day,
to
Luca!
paint the
I
zone.
meet you again! My friend!
My
Oh!
name is Vladimir Meatballs.
No! You struck!
How...
I have, I like
mean?
that, actually.
You ganked earlier, you dipshit.
You
Yeet!
gained earlier. Yeah, well, this was at the start. Because he's trying to start a 2v1.
Quite possibly.
Just stand there and be fat.
Did you just bit? No.
This is the...
Yeah, I'm waiting.
slowest
Like he wants
Get
to go
in there!
Why can he do that?
Why can you faint?
Do the
This is
zone!
occasionally.
Do the zone! Do the zone!
Do the epic!
Zone him!
Come
Zone
on.
him! Yes!
Mind if I like leave?
Start feigning it. That's gonna be
Just a
epic.
tad. Fuck.
Zone attack is a viable attack.
What on you bastard?
Unity.
I don't know why I did that, but
Help me!
revive me. I'm quite sad.
Luca, stop. Hey, Luca, hold on for a fucking moment.
That doesn't work!
Luca does not.
Look, has no medicine.
Fuck you.
Rat bastard.
Nope.
Ouch. Ouch. Ouch.
What the
Ouch.
fuck?
Ouch.
Wait, when did I claim to not gang?
Okay, hey,
Earlier.
Dane and Jack.
When?
Dane and Jack. Hey, I have something to say to you. It's
Yeah.
like a special message. Can you shut
Don't
the
be
fuck
salty.
up? That's a pretty
Are we
sexy
all-
lawbringer.
Now someone, give me a mobile game.
Mobile game. Angry
Tuber
Birds.
Simulator.
Definitely. Tuber Simulator.
Is Jesse playing For Honor?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Fuck you. Haha!
I
Joke
need
is
to
on
know.
you!
Jack, are you the one with the most unstable internet?
Unstable. Unstable, though.
No!
Yes! He died.
I love rubbing one out to dead bodies.
Oscar! What happened to Oscar?
He disappeared like 2 days.
Yeah,
Really?
He's been
What?
gone for a long time, you know.
Actually,
He has
You blind
Australia
cunt.
internet, you know.
this is so sad. I miss
Alex
Oscar.
played Despacito.
No!
No.
I miss Oscar. He's cute.
Why did Lag leave us? Is he
I
so
He
guess-
had stuff to
I
do.
don't know, he said he had some stuff to do.
He will probably fucking jack off to some food or fuck for shit.
Oh,
Oh my.
You do the same.
Nah, I don't like food. I'm sorry.
How would you
You seem like
it?
all men.
how do you pronounce that? Is that?
Futa. That's a futanari.
Delicious.
I can hear my little brother in the next room just fucking smacking his table.
Ask him to shut the fuck up, you degenerate piece of fucking shit. I will rape you.
Right.
Slap
Oi,
him.
din käften, din autist, jag vill tära!
He is cancer!
Hey, have honorary rule, no ledging, okay?
Okay.
Oh, guys.
Now you're pushing it.
Oh no.
No, no!
No, no. Oh
The meta-
no, that's top heavy.
The meta heavy always heavy.
Do a light attack!
It just works.
Oh, March. Fuck you.
The gnome isn't on any side, he's on the side of the gnomes, actually.
Yes,
On behalf of the gnomes.
the gnome clan.